Welcome back, YouTubers. As you know, I like to do mods to my Ranger. I've got a lift kit. It's approximately 2.5 inches. I'm going to use this bump stop for my lower control arm because I'm getting too much bouncing and swaying. The front end is jumping like crazy. We're going to cut off this tab, putting this metal plate on here so that I don't interfere with the rubber. I used a grinder, cut it off. As you can see, this bump stop has the tab still on it, and I'm just going to cut them both off. And so you can see here the original is significantly shorter by about 1.5 inches or more. And so you see here the bolts and the nut size are the same, so luckily you'll be able to reuse it. You just go down here, loosen this nut, which you'll be able to put on the new one. You just simply loosen it, and once you're done here, you just pull it out. And after you pull it out, you just install the new one. I'm installing it in reverse. Yes, in reverse, because that flat part on the right side of the image would interfere with the coil. You can see the gap was significantly reduced. Here's the shorter one, and my bouncing and swaying has reduced quite a bit. No more crazy jumping.